Here, I'll put the pumpkin.
Hi kids.
Hello. Today we are going to do
What?
a pumpkin volcano.
Welcome volcano.
Y'all. So we have a pumpkin here, and
pumpkin.
do you want to take the top off? Boop. So I cut the top off, and then I empty the inside of the pumpkin. And then I cut a little mouth and I made 2 eyes. So it's kind of like a jack-o'-lantern.
Yep.
So first what we're gonna do is we're gonna put some baking soda in our pumpkin. You can take this off. Okay, so there's your baking soda.
Got this big whole rock.
You have a big rock of baking soda in there. Chop it, chop it, chop. There you go. Put a lot of baking soda in there.
Now let's make a volcano. You make a volcano.
Yeah. And since we have a hole in the pumpkin, maybe some of the volcano will come out his mouth.
Okay.
So now we have vinegar in here and then food coloring. So what colors do you want to put in the vinegar?
Wait.
Red? Okay. You just want to do one color? Okay. So we're going to put red food coloring in our vinegar. Squeeze. Perfect.
So it's almost gone.
Yep. Okay, now we're going to squeeze the vinegar into the pumpkin and we will see what happens. Are you ready? Go! Squeeze! Squeeze! Squeeze all of it. Oh! Here, I'll put the pumpkin close real quick so they can see.
Oh, big volcano!
Whoa!
If I just here.
Yeah, okay. Here you go. Ready? We don't have much vinegar left. Ready? Go. Squeeze. 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 Whoa!
Boss volcano! Woo! Mama!
That's pretty awesome. Okay, we'll do one. We are going to do a pumpkin explosion. So we're going to put elephant toothpaste in the pumpkin.
Elephant toothpaste? What?
Yes.
What? Why don't I put that in the pumpkin? Elephant toothpaste?
Yes.
Toothpaste? That's supposed to be elephant toothpaste?
Yeah, so we're going to do a half cup of, do you remember what this is called?
Elephant toothpaste.
This is peroxide, so I'll do this part.
Peroxide?
Mm-hmm.
Do this part for sure.
Here, I'll pour this part in here.
Okay.
It's a lot. We'll see. And then
This soap. I
your
need this soap.
Okay, you got it. Squeeze.
This soap.
Yep. And then we'll add some food coloring. What color do you want to use today?
This one?
Okay. Yellow?
Almost gone.
Okay. So we'll mix it all up. I don't know what's going to happen since this is a pumpkin. And it's not like a cup, but we'll see.
Let's see.
And then we have warm water, and then we'll do a teaspoon of yeast.
Yeast, terrible.
Yeah, get messy.
Mom, I want to do it.
Okay, you can pour the yeast in here.
Sneeze.
And then we're gonna stir it up. Oh, I was saying stir it up.
I stir it up. I want to stir it up.
Okay, stir.
Stir.
Stir, stir, stir. Stir, 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 stir.
It's all done. What's that, Mama?
I poured the peroxide down the sink, so it's making that noise. All right. So, you ready?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, here we go.
Here we go. Oh. Volcano. Volcano.
Yeah, look, it's gonna spill over the side.
Oh no.
Yep, it's gonna come down. Oh, it's dripping. Oh. It looks like a spaceship.
No.
Or it looks like a planet.
Oh.
A planet with a ring around it.
Mm-hmm.
Or it looks like a hat.
Not hat. It's dripping.
It's dripping. It looks like soap.
It's not soap. Soap. You get all soap too. Up this. I strip it off this. Like this. Oops. I cut this.
Yeah. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more experiments, make sure you check out our channel.
Bye.